The Gifts Outdoor Toys 143 RC Drift Car is the perfect gift for both kids and adults who love thrilling high-speed racing and drifting experiences. This mini RC race car is meticulously crafted in a 143 scale, making it a compact yet powerful model that delivers impressive performance. Equipped with a 2.4G remote control system, it ensures a stable and interference-free connection, allowing multiple cars to race simultaneously without signal disruption. The 4WD four-wheel drive feature provides exceptional traction and control, enabling the car to navigate various terrains with ease and precision. This high-speed motor vehicle model is designed for outdoor adventures, offering a realistic and exciting drifting experience. Its robust build and high-quality materials ensure durability, so it can withstand the rigors of intense racing sessions. The car's sleek and aerodynamic design not only adds to its visual appeal, but also enhances its speed and maneuverability, making it a top contender in any race. The RC Drift Car comes with a user-friendly remote control that allows for precise handling and smooth operation. With adjustable speed settings, drivers can customize their racing experience to match their skill level, whether they are beginners or seasoned racers. The car's responsive controls make it easy to perform impressive drifts, sharp turns, and high-speed runs, providing endless entertainment and excitement. Overall, the Gifts Outdoor Toys 143 RC Drift Car Mini RC Race car's 2.4G remote control, 400 WD high speed, motor vehicle model is a must-have for racing enthusiasts of all ages. Its combination of advanced features, durable construction, and sleek design make it an ideal choice for those seeking a thrilling and immersive RC racing experience. Whether for personal,